Bro, tell me why I had to take the fattest shit of my life.
And I went into one of those public bathrooms, and tell me why they had automatic fucking flushing toilets.
I literally was on the verge of fucking shitting my pants. I set up the little seat cover,
And tell me why I turn around, pull my pants down, and the fucking automatic flush goes off. It takes my
seat cover. Like, bro, that's just annoying. Now I gotta put another one. Like, and that shit's already coming out. So,
bro, it just makes it so much worse. Like in my mind, I was already thinking I was about to release, but now I gotta wait
and put another toilet seat cover on just because of the automatic flush.